it's me, Sarifa, your teacher, and today we are going to learn chapter 4, and that is animals, common insects. So let's start at a glance. Instant notes. Okay, at a glance. Okay. Now, insects can adjust easily to the environment and also found almost everywhere in the world. Almost everywhere around the earth, insects are found. Insects lack bones in their body. Insects doesn't have bones in their body. They have hard outer covering and made up with chitin. Okay, let's just do. They have lack of bones in our body and they have a hard outer covering made up of chitin. Okay. The body of an insect is divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen. The head is there, and the thorax is there, and the abdomen is there. Okay. The head considers two antennae, two compound of eyes and mouth parts. The head part consists of two antennae, two compound of eyes, and two mouth parts. The throat usually has wings and three pairs of legs. The throat actually has wings and three pair of legs. The abdomen contains digestive system. The abdomen consists of digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive system. These three they have. A butterfly has a fourth stage of its life: recycle, an egg, caterpillar, pupa, and an adult butterfly. First is 4 stages of life. Butterfly has an egg first, and caterpillar after that, and pupa after that, and an adult butterfly. Some insects are social and they live together in large colonies. Some insects live in large colonies. For example, including ants. Ants live many, right? In the group they live bees and termites. They live in groups. These three. Insects may be useful or harmful to us. They may be useful or they may be harmful. We can get rid of harmful effects by using chemicals called insecticides or pesticides using by natural methods. By natural methods, we can get rid of harmful effects by chemicals like insecticides and pesticides using by natural methods. Okay, so we have finished at the glance, and now we will go to terms to know important terms. Terms to know. Now what terms we have to know? Insects, very small animals with 6 legs, it's called insects. They have 6 legs. Okay. Exoskeleton is an outer cover of the insect's body made of chitin. This is the outer covering of the insect's body made of chitin. Antennae is a pair of long sensory organs on the head of the insect's wing. Okay, so now it's the insect. It has a pair of big pair of lines. Okay. Now thorax is the middle portion of the insect's body that bear legs and wings. This is the middle portion of the body of insects. And think that this is an insect. Thorax. This is the middle portion. This is the thorax, means that the body bears legs and wings. So body bears this legs and wings. Now abdomen, the portion of the body below the throat, contains different body system. Abdomen is a portion of the body below the throat containing what? Different body system. This contains different body system. Social interest is interest that lives with other insects in the kind of large well-organized colony. This is social insect. It lives in a large colony with all the insects. Okay, with the kind of large well-organized colony it is. Now, nocturnal insects is the insect active during the night time. During the night time, the nocturnal insects are active during the night time. Compound eyes is the types of eyes that are made up of several smaller eye units. With the smaller eye units, this eye is made. Chitin is a strong substance that forms an exoskeleton of an insect. This is a strong subject. I told you exoskeleton, the meaning. Right. See, wait. See, here is the exoskeleton and here is the chitin. Okay, it's a strong substance that forms like this part, this hard coloring, okay, of the insects. So now we have finished the terms to know. Now we will go to infographics. Body part of the insect, see, abdomen, I told you this is the abdomen. Wings, this is the wings. Thorax, this is the thorax, this side. Head, this is the head. Antenna, this is the antenna. Compounder is this little compounder, and legs are this, the legs. Now common insect. Some common insects can be seen in all our surroundings, including ants, beetles, bees, flies, mosquito, caterpillar and butterfly. Common insect means that can see in our surroundings. Ant can be seen, beetle also can be seen, bee also can be seen, fly also can be seen, mosquito also can be seen, grasshopper also can be seen, and butterfly also can be seen. Okay. A life cycle of a butterfly. See, first they are eggs. I'm sorry, please wait. Okay, so the life cycle of a butterfly is eggs. First they have eggs. See, after that they are caterpillar. After that they have caterpillar. After that pupa. And after that an adult butterfly. Means what happens? Here are the eggs in a leaf. Here are the small eggs. After that the caterpillar of the caterpillar grows up. After that it is in the leaf gets closed. Okay. And after that it is an adult. It is a butterfly. Okay. So we are done. Please wait. Okay, so please wait. Okay, so whatever, this was our video, and wait, this was our video, and thank you for watching. So we will do the next chapter. We will do till then. Bye bye.